roads, organized sectors, and pollution-free environment. It's home to renowned institutions like the University of Kalyan, Aiza Kalkana, IIIT Kalyan, AIMS Kalyan, and the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Telecom Training Center or ASCDTC.
স্যার দেখতে পেলাম না স্যার রিপিট করেন স্যার ভিডিও আছে ভিডিও আছে কি আবার দেখে নিন
NCBTC began its journey as a regional telecom training center. In 2000, it became an integral part of BSNL, continuing its mission to train and empower India's telecom workforce. In 2022, NSCBTC was restructured as Zonal Telecom Training Center East or JTDC. NSCBTC is not just a training center, it's a legacy, a learning hub where generations of telecom professionals have been shaped, trained, and empowered. From the early days of manual switching to structured, prosper to fully automatic landphone telecom exchanges to the latest generation of mobile technology, NSCBTC has been at the forefront of connecting India. And with it, NSCBTC Kalyan has evolved, training the human backbone behind the telecom revolution. Named after one of India's greatest leaders, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the center inherits his value, discipline, courage, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. The strength of NSCBTC lies in its rich and sprawling campus of 12.63 acres, state-of-the-art telecom and IT labs, and exceptionally talented, trained, qualified, and highly motivated human resource pool. From optical fiber communication to FTTH GPON, RT networking to switching, and the most recent developments in mobile technology like 4G LTE, 5G cloud services, IoT, and network security. The curriculum here is dynamic, responsive, and futuristic. We ensure our trainees don't just learn, but experience the telecom ecosystem. Hands-on demonstration on lab equipments, troubleshooting exercises, live equipment demonstration at field exchanges. Everything is immersive. Every year, thousands of trainees pass through the gates of NSCBTC. Engineers, technicians, executives, and external candidates. They come from BSNL, other government departments, and private sector firms. It plays a critical role in bridging the gap between the industry and academia, helping the student in enhancing their career prospects and their employability that has been well appreciated by students, colleges, and universities. The center is more than its classrooms, with residential hostel, a well-stocked library, sports and recreational facilities. NSCBTC Kalyan creates a holistic environment where students learn, grow, and form lifelong connections. As India advances towards a digital Bharat, NSCBTC is stepping into collaborations with academic institutions, digital platforms, and e-learning modules are helping the center reach beyond its physical boundaries. For nearly half a century, NSCBTC Kalyan has powered India's telecom journey.